Hello! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Baka hindi mo alam, meron tayong channel na specifically made for Libra Philippines. Please do check it out. Ayan. If you want to follow me sa Facebook, meron kaming Facebook page, Madam P. Ayan. Search mo na lang yan, Madam P. Actually, hindi mo siya masa-search So, search mo na lang #Libra Philippines, #Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ma-appreciate ko kung magko-comment ka, sobra. Sana mag-comment ka dyan sa baba. So, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Kahit heart lang, sobrang nagpapakita yun ng suporta pag umahal sa akin. Ayan, pasensya ka na, hindi ako masyado makareading ng mga nakaraan dito sa channel na to. Masyado ako na busy. Pero ngayon, I will try my best na makapag-reading para sa inyo. So, sana mag-comment ka sa baba para matutuwa akong makita kung sino yung mga nag-aabang talaga sa akin. Okay, so let's start. Medyo nilalapit ko na lang yung, yung boses, yung mukha ko kasi para medyo marinig mo ko kasi ayokong magmalakas ng boses ngayon. Ayoko munang mapagod. Medyo di pa ako nakakatulog ng maayos. Just so you know, na po dito, mga tanghali na, mga 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Hindi ko ma-check yung time, mga ganun. Wala pa akong tulog. Okay? So, 8 of Spade. Oh. King of Hearts. Why do I feel like some of you nagmamahal ka, pero with the 8 of Spade, pwedeng hindi ka pwedeng magmahal, or hindi mo pwedeng mahalin yung taong minamahal mo kasi might be you are stuck in a situation, relationship. The Ace of Hearts is here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, itong person na nakakonect mo, mahal ka nitong taong to. 9 of Spade, nasasaktan din siya. Katulad mo. So, I'm feeling like you could be stuck in a relationship. Pero yung taong minamahal mo, mahal ka rin. Kaya lang, alam niyang hindi naman siya pwedeng basta-basta pwedeng mahalin ka din. Ano yung mga nasa isip niyo? Queen of Hearts. You feel like this person is your soulmate or the one for you. The Jack of Clover is here, so there's magandang communication. Yung iba, maybe there's a child or children na involved dito. Yung iba naman, pwedeng that could mean communication, connection sa inyong dalawa nitong person na to na parang nagpapa-evolve palalo ng nararamdaman mo para sa taong to kasi dahil sa connection or komunikasyon na meron sa inyong dalawa. Guys, kung hindi nakaka-relate, huwag mong ipilit, ibigay mo sa iba tong reading na to. 2 of Diamonds is here. Wait lang, Libra. Alam mo, habang nag-reading ako, nakakaramdam ako ng sobrang pagod sa'yo. I mean, I don't know if you are this Libra na sobrang pagod ka na. I mean, physically, you're drained. You need to rest. You need time for yourself. You need to go to, a spa, magpamassage. Alam mo yun. You're a Libra. Ruling planet mo is a Venus. You're a Venusian. So, planet of love and beauty. So, you have to be beautiful. And in order for that beauty na mailabas, kailangan you have to love yourself. Take care of yourself. Drink a lot of water. So anyway, Libra, you do have the 8 of Hearts, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person loves you. May priority lang siya or may mga bagay siyang pinapriority sa ngayon. Queen of Spade is here. I mean, in the future, you need to cut off something. May bagay ka dapat i-cut off to guys. I know you're a Libra and sobrang hirap sa'yo ang makapag-decide. So, 2 of Spade is here. This is telling you na kailangan mo mag-desisyon in the near future para sa'yo. Kung mahal mo tong taong to, 5 of Clover is here. 5 of Clover is, you know, number 5 is big change. And then, Clover, 5 of Clover is an action. Kailangan mong magkaroon ng action para magkaroon ng malaking pagbabago sa buhay mo. Alam mo yung future mo, ikaw ang gagawa. And ang future sa inyo na person na ito, ikaw ang gagawa. If you feel like you are in a relationship and you want a new beginning dahil hindi na healthy itong relationship na to, might as well you need to end it. 7 of Clover is here. Nagpakita na naman si 5 of Spade, which is, sabi ko nga, 5 is big change. 7 of Clover is like paghahawak ng manibela ng sasakyan. You know, you have your own way, you have your own path. Ikaw ang driver ng buhay mo, hindi ako, hindi kami. So, ikaw makakapag-desisyon kung saan mo gustong mapunta ang future mo. So, in order for you na magkaroon ng magandang future, ayusin mo ang present moment mo. The near future for you is the 9 of Hearts. So, there's an option for you, but ito na naman si 5 of Spades, diba? Nagpapakita talaga siya. But you need to make changes for yourself first. Okay? And yeah, last card for you is the Jack of Spade, which is, you know, Jack of Spade is, it's like the Page of Swords. You need to maging palaban. Be like a child. Ano ba yung... I mean, Jack of Spade, nakikita ko to as a rebellious na energy. So, kailangan mo rin maging rebelde minsan. Might be kasi yung iba sa inyo stuck ka sa relasyon kasi ganito, ganyan. But, some of you need to go against that. Kailangan mong sabihin na natin marami ang magsasabing bawal or ayaw or hindi pwede, but this is your life, this is your future, 'di ba? Ikaw lang makakapagpabago ng future mo at huwag mo isipin kung anong iisipin ng ibang tao. 10 of Clover is here. 10 is an ending number. You need to end something in order for you to have a new beginning. Bye bye, Libra. I love you all and bye bye. Mwah.